So Xilinx is the inventor of the FPGA. What makes that different and interesting compared to standard microprocessors and digital signal processors in this kind of application is, first of all, the massively parallel processing power which we have. Hundreds of multiplication units working in parallel to solve the very difficult problems which have to be resolved, particularly in these next generation 4G long-term evolution air interface standards. So of course FPGAs are also reconfigurable, which makes them particularly well adapted for tracking the rapidly changing standards and the changes in the definition of those standards over time. So compared to, for instance, an ASSP or a system on chip or an ASIC type solution, with an FPGA it's possible to modify the hardware architecture to track the changes in the standard pretty much as soon as those changes happen, without having to try to obtain the next generation standard microprocessor, standard DSP, or respin an ASIC. So that's really an important benefit, allowing our customers to much more rapidly follow the standards evolution and incorporate those functions into their systems very quickly. So the demonstration which we have here shows our LTE targeted design platform. What we have are our Vertex 5 FX70T silicon, in this case, running on a standard evaluation board, running the physical layer transmit functions for 3GPP LTE, transmitting through our connectivity IP to the physical layer receive functions, also running on a Vertex 5 FX70T standard evaluation board. What we've done as well is work very closely with our partner Wintegra, who offer solutions for the eNode B and for the advanced gateway functions in the 3GPP LTE standard. So by putting all of this together, we have really a complete system level offer, all the way from a network right through to the radio interface. To complete the picture, we've worked with Xilinx. You can see their standard vector signal analysis software for LTE here, which is showing the constellation type generated and also showing compliance with the standard in terms of all of the channels which are defined in the 3GPP specifications. So why did we choose to work with Wintegra as a partner in putting together this type of system? Well, Wintegra are the leader in transport and baseband MAC technology for multiple air interfaces, such as WiMAX, TD-SCDMA, in addition to the LTE technology which we're demonstrating here from Wintegra. Really they offer a very flexible and scalable solution, and in particular a very low power solution, and that's really fundamental in order to meet the requirements of operators moving forward.